In October 1949, a guard on a United States Navy ship looked at the dark waters of the Bermuda Triangle and saw a giant object burst out of the ocean. He fainted on the spot. What if the most terrifying secret of the Bermuda Triangle isn't what's flying in the sky, but what's hiding deep underwater? Navy sailors and ocean researchers have reported impossible sightings for decades. Fiery lights under the sea, fast objects on radar, and giant craft rising straight into the night. If these strange craft aren't coming from outer space, where are they coming from? To understand this mystery, we have to look at Andros Island in the Bahamas. Just 77 miles off the coast of Florida, this area is home to a high-security Navy facility called OTEC. Local sailors frequently report seeing advanced, silent craft moving through these waters at impossible speeds. In one famous case, a businessman took his boat near Andros and spotted a massive metallic craft. He thought it was a humpback whale, but as he moved closer, the craft silently vanished beneath the waves in less than a second.
It's gone!
The evidence is undeniable. We are not alone.
And what does this book say about that?
It details the contact, the messages they left for us.
Many researchers believe IUTEC isn't just a military base. It's a secret underwater Area 51. Right next to this Navy base lies a massive network of underwater caves known as the Blue Holes. Legendary cave diver Rob Palmer spent years exploring these deep ocean caverns. But his discovery went far beyond geology. Palmer became convinced these deep caves were actually secret exit doors used by flying saucers. His investigation was making unprecedented progress until July 1997, when he suddenly died during a dive in the Red Sea. But here's what nobody noticed. During an interview at NASA headquarters in Florida, a source claimed Palmer's death was no accident.
They told the world it was an accident, but these photos prove they knew the risks. It was covered up from the start.
They alleged that secret organizations eliminated him because he discovered the ultimate secret, an underwater stargate. The real proof goes back even further. In late October 1949, a Navy vessel was sailing north through the Bermuda Triangle after leaving Cuba. At 11:45 p.m., radar screens lit up with a massive target.
Look alive, men! What in the blaze is that thing? It's coming out of the water!
The crew ran outside and saw a giant glowing sphere rising out of the ocean. What happened next changes everything. The glowing object appeared nearly 1,000 times bigger than the moon, with an intense light contained inside it that slowly expanded across the sky. This encounter was documented in official interviews by writer Charles Berlitz with crew member Robert P. Riley. Riley revealed the object was 11 to 15 miles away on the horizon, expanding and rising for 15 full minutes before disappearing. This is where it gets strange. When you connect the 1949 Navy report with the cave systems explored by Rob Palmer, a clear picture appears. These reports do not describe alien craft coming from deep space. They describe advanced craft emerging directly from our own oceans. Most of our ocean floor remains completely unexplored. Stories like Rob Palmer's suggest that the world's greatest secrets are still waiting deep below the surface. If you want to explore more hidden history and true mysteries, follow along for the next episode.